Palfinger is quite heavily working on the topic complete installation solutions. We want to have the best possible solution for certain applications of our customers, which means we have the customer need on top and we build the perfect solution for his needs. Out of this we need a close contact to the end customers. We need to know what they are doing, what is their job, and out of this input we create then the perfect solution with maximum performance of our product, with the perfect documentation for our customers, and of course also things like spare parts availability are clarified for those concepts. The MCC is very important for this whole solutions topic. We have with our MCCs the possibility to gain experience when it comes to installations, especially when we talk about new technologies. This is quite a challenge to find the right complete solution on this new type of chassis, for example, when it comes to these battery electric trucks. I think if we speak now about these new technologies, digitalization, electrification, we really go into a stage where this complete developed solutions get more and more important. We have on our new solutions connections between the chassis, the installation and also the Palfinger product. So we cannot stop thinking on the crane base. We need to think the whole solution. We need to think about the interconnections between crane and chassis, between crane and installation. And there is no way around that we think in whole solutions. And this is also a big benefit for our partners. We can provide them this experience and we can provide them the products for those new technologies. When we talk about the overall solution strategy, the MCC is a very important part because we want to give our network the full flexibility in their daily work. They can decide, do they want to have a full installation from a Palfinger MCC or do they want to get the kit out of our portfolio and do the installations themselves. So they have a full flexibility on their side. Once their workshop is full, they can purchase additional units through the channel MCC, and once they have workforce available, then they can do the work themselves. MCC is giving our whole partner network a very good flexibility in their daily job.